Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this channel is going to explain to you why I decided not to use LED bulb for my vehicle. Now this is an example. The one on top is the one that has a fused brake lamp, because if you have a brake lamp it should be brighter. The one lower, the lower one is the one I have fixed, brighter one, has two filament in that incandescent bulb. I still feel that incandescent bulb is more reliable, and I'm going to change this LED light bulb which I bought earlier. Now I bought a box of it. For this, the middle one, this is the model. It has only one filament. You can use it for signal or reverse light. Now however, for brake lamp, this is the model, 12 volt. It has two filaments. You see there are two filaments in there. One is for the light, the other is for the brake. So this is for here, it goes to here. And I'm going to change it. So to do that, just need to press against it and then release this nut and the two screws here. Wear a glove because it's rusty. You don't want to hurt your fingers. Then I found that this rubber boot is actually hardened already. That's why water goes into the car boot. So I'm going to do something about it later. Now next, this is the video about light bulb. Now this one has actually 3 wires because it's a reverse, it's actually a brake lamp. Okay, so because of, I think, loose contact, and you can see, I think one of them is actually fused. There you go. I hope you can see it. And this is a model. In case you want to buy it online, you can buy this. This is not a sponsor video. I bought all of this light bulb all by myself, not a sponsor video. Just take note. Now the new one looks good. It looks like this, straight. Now I also apply some dielectric grease so that it has a better contact point. And I'm going to insulate this or perhaps reduce the gap. Okay, I use 3 thin layers of insulating tape. 3 thin layers, okay, so that they actually press against the wall and prevent loose contact, okay, so that there are no more burn marks. I found that incandescent light bulbs are relatively smaller, so that's the reason why I need 3 more layers of the insulation tape. Okay, it fits on the one side, it's the bulb and also the socket. So done. Then the second one, for this one, it has only the smaller version, short version. It has only one filament. Instead of using LED, well, it lasts about 12 months, but yet it flickers, so it's bad already. So I'll still buy I still prefer incandescent light bulb. I bought 1 box of it because I could change it once every year, perhaps. There you go, new one, right? Brake lamp. This is brake lamp. Yeah, engage the brake. This is how it looks like. It looks so much better, so much affordable and reliable. I hope this video helps you. Remember, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. Bye bye.